Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to sync your Outlook calendar with Google Calendar. This is incredibly useful if you're managing schedules across different platforms and want to keep everything in one place without manually entering the same events twice. First things first, open your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer. Once it launches, log into your account using your credentials. Give it a moment to load all your emails and information. This initial loading is important because it ensures all your data is ready to work with, including your calendar settings. Now that everything's loaded, we need to navigate to the calendar section. Look towards the bottom left part of your screen where you'll see a calendar tab. Go ahead and click on it. This will switch your view from your inbox to your full calendar interface where you can see all your scheduled events and appointments. Once your calendar appears on screen, take a look at the left sidebar. You're going to find a section called Shared Calendars. This is where the magic happens. Right-click directly on the Shared Calendars section. A context menu will pop up with several options available to you. From this context menu, hover your cursor over the option that says Add Calendar. When you hover over it, you'll notice the menu expands to show you additional choices. This is where you'll specify how you want to add the calendar and from what source. From the expanded options, choose from Internet. This tells Outlook that you're going to be pulling calendar data from an external web source rather than creating a new calendar from scratch or adding someone else's Outlook calendar. A new window will appear asking for a calendar link. This is where you'll paste your Google Calendar URL. If you don't have this URL handy, you can get it from your Google Calendar settings by going to the calendar you want to share, clicking the three dots, selecting Settings and Sharing, and copying the public URL or secret address in iCal format. Once you've got that link, paste it into the field provided in Outlook. After pasting the URL, click on OK to confirm. Outlook will now begin syncing with your Google Calendar. This process automatically populates your Outlook calendar based on your Google Calendar schedule, meaning all your Google events will now appear in Outlook as well. Depending on how many events you have, this might take a few moments to complete, so be patient while everything syncs up. And there you have it. Your Outlook calendar is now synced with your Google Calendar, allowing you to view all your events in one place. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.